Hello children, I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here, every day, we will sing, dance, listen to stories and have lots of fun together. Are you ready to have fun? Okay, then please stand up and join me in a dance. बच्चों, आपका इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में स्वागत है। यहाँ हम रोज गाएंगे, नाचेंगे, कहानियां सुनेंगे और खूब मजे करेंगे। क्या आप तैयार हैं? तो फिर खड़े हो जाइए और मेरे साथ एक डांस में जुड़ जाइए।
Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll.
Children, now I would like to ask you a few questions. Let us share our thoughts and ideas. बच्चों, अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी. Children, have you heard the saying, honesty is the best policy? बच्चों, क्या आपने ये कहावत सुनी है कि हमेशा सत्य ही कहना चाहिए? Honesty means saying the truth. Being the best policy means that we should make it a practice to always speak the truth. Children, have your elders or your parents ever told you to always say the truth? बच्चों, क्या घर के बड़ों ने या फिर आपके माँ बाप ने आपसे कभी ये कहा है कि आपको हमेशा सच कहना चाहिए? Yes, everyone always advises us to say the truth. We must always say the truth. But why must we always say the truth? हमेशा सच क्यों बोलना चाहिए? Children, saying the truth is a habit. ये एक आदत है. Usually, habits are developed at a very young age. So from a young age, if we always say the truth, it becomes a practice. People like those who speak the truth because we can always trust these people. We easily believe those whom we know always speak the truth. We also like such people. But what if we lie? बच्चों, क्या होगा अगर हम लोग झूठ बोले? When we lie, people may not come to know the first time. But over time, people will surely know about our lie. They will not trust us. They will not believe us. They will also not like us. People usually don't like those who lie. But why don't they like people who lie? ऐसा क्यों है कि हमें झूठ बोलने वाले लोग नहीं पसंद? We don't like people who lie because we cannot trust them. We cannot believe them. Right? Children, it is very important that we make it a habit, we make it a practice to always speak the truth. Because honesty is the best policy. Because people like those who speak the truth and can easily trust them. We must not lie because our lies can be caught any day. And the day people catch your lie, they will not trust you. They will not want to keep any relation when they know that we are speaking lies. Children, when we lie, we may not get caught the first time. But the day we are caught, people may not want to keep any relation with us. When we call for help or when we need help, people will not come to even help us because they'll always think we are lying. Even the day we say the truth, people will think that this person is a liar, so will surely be lying. So children, I hope you understand that it's very important that we stay truthful to others and also to ourselves. We must not lie. Children, while learning a language, it is very important to keep learning new words. Now, I would like to share with you a few new words. Please listen to me carefully and note them down in your notebook. We will come across these words in the lesson we'll be reading today. बच्चों, अब मैं आपको कुछ नए शब्द बताने वाली हूँ. इन्हें अपनी नोटबुक में लिखें और मुझे गौर से सुनें. The first word is shining. 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 The second word is chirping. 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 The third word is flute. 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 The fourth word is wolf. 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 Children, let me repeat the words once again for you. Shining, chirping, flute, wolf. Children, please look out for these words while we are reading the lesson and try to guess their meaning. Children, now I would like to read to you a wonderful lesson. The title of the lesson is The Man Who Cried Wolf. If you have a textbook, please open to page number 59 and point to the words as I read. If you don't have a textbook, then please see your TV screens and listen to me carefully. बच्चों, अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट है तो प्लीज पेज नंबर 59 पर खोलें और कुछ इस तरीके से अपनी उंगली शब्दों पर रखें जब मैं उन्हें पढ़ रही हूं. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो आप प्लीज अपनी टीवी स्क्रीन की ओर देखें और मेरी आवाज गौर से सुनें. The man who cried wolf. Chorus. Oh, what a beautiful day. The sun is shining. A breeze is blowing. Birds are chirping. Flowers are blooming. Oh, what a happy day. Sheru enters with his sheep. Children, as you can see, it's a bright sunny day. This is the choir of children. The children are singing. This is Sheru. He's a shepherd. This is his sheep. Children, what we are reading is a skit. The title of the skit is The Man Who Cried Wolf. In the skit, there is a choir. That means a group of students that sing a song. What do these students sing? These students tell us, it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining brightly. The birds are chirping. And the flowers are blooming. There is a cool breeze blowing. It's a wonderful day. It's a happy day. Whatever the choir sings is written as chorus 1. Who's that? It's Sheru with his sheep. Sheru doesn't look happy. What's wrong, Sheru? Sheru, I don't like my job. Every day it's the same. Take the sheep, go to the hill and sit there all day. I get so bored. Sheru is a young man. He enters the stage with his sheep. What does the choir do? The choir asks Sheru, Sheru, what's the matter? You don't look very happy. Sheru says, I don't like my job. It's very boring. I have to do the same thing again and again. Every day, take the sheep and go to the hill. Wait there all day and come back in the evening. Chorus 2. Why don't you sing songs? Sheru, I don't like songs. Chorus 3. Why don't you play the flute? Sheru, I don't like music. Chorus 4. Why don't you read a book? Sheru, I don't like to read. I want to have fun. Today, I am going to have fun. Just see what I do. Starts shouting. The choir suggests to Sheru, Sheru, why don't you sing? Why don't you play the flute? Why don't you read? Sheru says, I don't like singing. I don't like playing the flute and I don't like reading. I am going to have some fun today. Just see. Sheru starts shouting, Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please help! Please help! Men rush in with sticks. Sheru suddenly starts shouting, Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is taking my sheep away. All the men listening to Sheru come running with their sticks. First man, don't worry, Sheru. Second man, we'll drive the wolf away. Third man, where's the wolf? Sheru, ha ha ha, there's no wolf. I was shouting just for fun. Men, You silly boy, this is no fun. Don't do it again. Go away. Chorus. Sheru, Sheru, don't be silly. Don't cry, wolf, for fun. Sheru. How I tricked the men. Ha ha ha. The men run and gather around Sheru. They tell Sheru, Sheru, don't worry. We'll take care of the wolf. But where is the wolf? Sheru says, ha ha ha. There's no wolf. I was just having some fun. The men who ran and came to help Sheru now got very angry. They told Sheru, you silly boy, this is no fun. Don't do it again. The choir also told Sheru, Sheru, this is wrong. Don't do it again. But Sheru said, ha ha ha, see how much fun I had. How I fooled them. Ha ha ha. I want to do it again. Oh, wolf, wolf, help, help. The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please come, please help. Wolf, wolf. Men rush in with sticks. Men. What happened? Where's the wolf? Sheru. Ha ha, fooled you again. There's no wolf, but it's so much fun. Ha ha. Men. You stupid boy. We won't listen to you again. We won't come again, even if you cry. Sheru says, see how I tricked the men, how I fooled them. I want to do it again. Please, please help me. The wolf is taking away my sheep. Sheru started shouting again. Again, all the men came running with their sticks and asked Sheru, where is the wolf? Sheru said, ha, I fooled all of you once again. There's no wolf. This time the men got even more angry. They said, you silly boy, this is no fun. We won't come again. Next time, whenever you call, even if you cry, we won't come. Go away. Chorus. The men are angry. They won't listen to Sheru again. Even if Sheru cries, they won't come again. Chorus 1. But what's this? Chorus 2. It's a wolf. Chorus 3. A real wolf. Chorus 4. A real, big, bad wolf. Now, what will Sheru do? Sheru. Oh no! Wolf! Go away! Wolf! Don't come near! Don't touch my sheep! Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is taking my sheep away! Help! 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 Chorus. No one listens to Sheru now. No one comes to help. Wolf takes a sheep away. Children, here we see the wolf is taking one of Sheru's sheep away. Sheru. My sheep! My sheep! Oh no! I'm sorry. I'm so very sorry. I'll never cry wolf for fun again. Chorus. Sheru has learnt his lesson. He'll never cry wolf for fun again. Now a real wolf comes and attacks Sheru's sheep. Sheru gets very scared. he asks the wolf to stay away from his sheep. But the wolf still takes away one of Sheru's sheep. Sheru shouts for help. Please, please, a wolf is taking my sheep away. But no one listens. None of the men come. In the end, when Sheru loses his sheep, he says, I'm sorry, I should not have made fun of all those men. They would have helped me save my sheep. But now my sheep is gone. Sheru felt very sad. Sheru finally learns his lesson. बच्चों, इस कहानी में क्या होता है? इस कहानी में एक छोटा लड़का है जिसका नाम है शेरू। शेरू अपनी भेड़ को घास चराने के लिए एक छोटे से पहाड़ पर रोज ले जाता था, लेकिन धीरे धीरे शेरू को इस काम से थकान होने लगी। वो बोर होने लगा। उसे कुछ नया, कुछ अलग करना था। उसने एक दिन गांव के सभी लोगों को चिल्ला चिल्ला कर कहा कि एक भेड़िया मेरी भेड़ को खा के ले जा रहा है। गांव के सभी लोग इकट्ठा हुए शेरू की मदद करने के लिए, लेकिन शेरू ने फिर उन्हें कहा कि वो केवल मजाक कर रहा था। इस बात से गांव वाले बहुत नाराज थे और शेरू के साथ बहुत गुस्सा भी हुए। शेरू ने यही मजाक बार बार किया। आखिरी बार जब एक भेड़िया शेरू की भेड़ को ले जाने आया, तब शेरू फिर चिल्लाया, बचाओ बचाओ, भेड़िया मेरी भेड़ को ले जा रहा है। लेकिन इस बार किसी ने उसकी नहीं सुनी, कोई मदद के लिए आगे नहीं बढ़ा। इस बात से शेरू को सीख मिली। Children, we learned lots of new words today. Come, let's try to understand their meaning and frame simple sentences. आइए बच्चों, आज जो हमने नए शब्द सीखे उनका हम मतलब जानें और उनमें से एक वाक्य बनाने की कोशिश करें। The first word is shining. Shining. Shining means to give out light. We can see stars shining at night. Next word, chirping. 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 It's the sweet sound made by birds. We can hear birds chirping early in the morning. Next word, flute. 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 It's a musical instrument. I am learning how to play the flute. Next word, wolf. Wolf. Wolf is a wild animal. The wolf attacked the sheep. Children, I hope you liked learning these new words. Children, let's do an activity now. In this activity, you will see a few sentences from the lesson that we just read. You need to fill in the blanks given in the sentence. बच्चों, अब हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे। इस एक्टिविटी में आप कुछ सेंटेंसेस स्क्रीन पर देखेंगे। इनमें ब्लैंक्स होंगे। आपको इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है जो लेसन हमने पढ़ा है उसके अनुसार। Would you like to give this a try? Then come, let's begin. Children, I hope you were able to fill in the blanks. Come, let's have a look at the answers. A breeze is blowing. flowers are blooming. Sheru doesn't look happy. Sheru says, I don't like my job. Sheru shouts, the wolf is taking away my sheep. The men said to Sheru they won't listen to him again. In the end, Sheru learns his lesson. Children, I hope you were able to fill in the blanks correctly. Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. I would now request you all to please share the story with your friends and family. Children, till we meet next time, please take care. Bye bye and stay safe.